Hello from FunTBH. New video and again video about parking sensors for cars. This video coming on request from one of my viewers. When you attempt to install these sensors to the front of your cars, I mean to the front bumpers, some annoying thing going to happen. Very soon after you try this, it will start to annoying you and to pissing you off. So solution for this is to disable that speaker, and main question was how to do it and will it affect work of my sensors. No, it will not affect work of your sensors on any way, except there will be no sound at all on your sensors. So buy one pack of sensors, install sensors to the front bumpers. So here's just to show you that these sensors still working, even these sensors are old, 4 years old, and LED display does not work properly anymore, does not showing full numbers anymore, so I replaced them. But still this sensor will do the job in this video. They working, they showing distance, still you can see. And now what you have to do to disable sound, some with some electronic experience will do it on their own. They does not need this video, but as I said, this video is especially for one of my viewers who asked for this. So first thing you need is to unscrew these two screws and to open this LED display. Then here is buzzer, and these two wires are buzzer wires, so whatever you do it will be fine. Cut them or desolder them. I will desolder them, isolate them and close these sensors. Now you can see that sensor still working properly, showing distance, LED display working properly, but there is no more annoying sound from this sensor unit. So that is what you should do if you're installing these sensors to the front bumper. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe to my channel, and this was really short video. Bye bye.